Hello, everybody. What I want to talk to you about today is a topic of immediate concern for many, and that's the cuts that are taking place to many administrative agencies, and for our purposes, the ones that particularly affect the education environment. Now, for better or worse, the primary means or methods through which individuals receive career education is through formal educational institutions such as colleges, technical schools, universities, etc. Now, many of the cuts that are taking place are in three particular fields. That is research, grants and aid that oftentimes goes to research universities for that purpose, a reduction in staff or a complete shutdown of the Department of Education, which administers many programs. Now, lots of those programs may be shifted to other federal agencies, but there is without doubt a reduction in the services that they are going to undertake for the existing student body and future student bodies that go through educational organizations. And then lastly, the reduction of or complete elimination of diversity, equity, and inclusion in institutes of higher learning. And this implicates not just public institutions, but private institutions as well that are eligible for federal grants, funds, or even payment of federal student loans. So some of the repercussions of this are obvious. There may be government spending savings on one side, and on the other side, in terms of research, you're going to have less funding for research, particularly in the university setting. You're going to have perhaps less accommodation and research into accommodations and ways to promote education for students who perhaps have disabilities or other special needs that are oftentimes tracked and monitored through these programs that are carried out by the Department of Education. And you're likely going to have a dip in the diversity that you see in educational institutions by virtue of a lack of DEI policy in place. Now, so my question for you is this, and please jump down in the forums and offer your opinion if you will. What do you think the specific effects are going to be of many of these federal cuts? How is it going to affect institutes of higher learning, as well as how is it going to affect the overall availability and potentially importance of education in the workforce? And what effects do you think it will have on education outside of the educational institution? That is it going to have any secondary effects on the workplace or job requirements for education, etc.? So I look forward to seeing your comments. Go over to thebusinessprofessor.com, jump into one of the forums. But regardless, I hope to see you around the platform sometime soon. Till then, take care.